Hi guys, Brooke here. This is going to be just a short video on what I expect you guys to be prepared for when I ask you to do journal club. And the next video will be a walkthrough of sort of what I'm expecting to see. So let's get started. Okay guys, so for journal club, I have some information for you. So you will do a total of 15 minutes for your presentation, but if you go over a few minutes, it's fine. I will cut you off at 20, so be prepared for that. I want this to be more of a discussion on the articles of your choosing. It really should not be difficult to get full credit on the journal club. So what I mean by discussion is that you will send me your paper 72 hours before your presentation, and I will distribute it to the rest of the class. From there, everyone in the class needs to read or at least skim over the article that was chosen for this discussion and really be prepared to ask questions if something isn't really making sense to you, or if you found it interesting, or you want to know why the authors did something. Bring that question to the journal club meeting and we will discuss it there. Here is just the schedule of presenters. I've highlighted those that finished the doodle poll, and so I know that they are set in their times. If you didn't do the doodle poll, I randomly threw you in times and time slots. So if you can't do it, you need to email me within the next week, or else you just won't be getting credit for that. And as you can see, the weeks of October 28th and December 9th are blank. There will be no meetings those weeks, as well as next week, September 23rd. So the first time we'll really have to meet for journal club is October 7th. And one other thing I wanted to point out was that if you're presenting in the 2 to 3 time slot, then that means you need to show up for all of the 2 to 3 presentations. Same goes for if you're in the 4 to 5 slot. Don't start mixing slots because then everything just gets jumbled and confusing. I will be sending a large email out each week. We have these with the presenters and the papers that they chose. So just make sure you're reading the correct one for your time slot. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's all I have. In the next video, I will be discussing this paper that I found in the Sleep Journal called COVID-19 Related Mobility Reduction, Heterogeneous Effects on Sleep and Physical Activity Rhythms. I'm really excited to talk about this with you guys. It won't be a real journal club, but it'll be a good introduction on what I expect you guys to talk about in each of your own presentations. Okay, I will see you October 7th.